Getting ready to buy or sell a home? Do you want to help support pro-life organizations? Then you need Real Estate for Life. Get a top-notch real estate agent and support pro-life causes. Go to realestateforlife.org to learn more.
Dear friends, this Lent, the Irish province of the Institute of Christ the King Sovereign Priest presents Lenten thoughts on the Gospel of the day. Please help us restore the Church of the Immaculate Heart of Mary in Belfast. Monday of the first week of Lent. Then he shall sit upon the seat of his majesty. Imagine the Son of Man coming in his majesty, and all the angels with him, and seating himself upon his throne of judgment. Then we shall see all men, those who have long been dead, and those who have only just been buried, trooping in countless numbers towards the judgment seat. Surely we will be among those who will awaken at the sound of the trumpet of the archangel. Our bodies will once more be united to our souls like when we were still alive, and we will rise from our burial place and be forced to go before the judge. There will be neither hiding nor escaping the terrible scrutiny and exposure of that day. No matter how we have lived our lives, we must be judged. See how our Lord divides the good from the bad, as the shepherd separates the sheep from the goats on the hillside. On which side will I be? On which side do I now deserve to be? On the right with the good, or on the left with those destined to hell? I will reflect seriously on the current state of my soul, and consider how the judge will look upon me. Will I have another day to live? If I die in mortal sin, I must be judged in mortal sin. St. John the Cross says, in the evening of life we will be judged on love alone. Love will be the basis of the judgment. Truly I say to you, as you did it to one of the least of these my brothers, you did it to me. Isn't it admirable that our Lord concerns himself with us creatures, especially the weakest? Whenever we sin against charity, it is Christ whom we offend. I am confounded when I look into the state of my soul and see how unfit I am to pass this great judgment of love. O Jesus, I will sweep my soul, as holy David says, for thy sake I will love my neighbor as myself. In all my transactions with men, I will consider that I am dealing with thee. Jesus, aid me by thy grace. Interested in almsgiving this Lent? Why not help to restore our church in Belfast, the Church of the Immaculate Heart of Mary? Help us make this former Presbyterian church worthy of the Catholic liturgy. You can donate at this GoFundMe link. May God bless you for your generosity. Like and subscribe for daily Lenten reflections. May the Immaculate Heart of Mary triumph in Ireland.